Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, I've got a really cool one for you guys. As you can see, Phone Rebel sent out a ton of their new iPhone 17 Pro cases. So let's go ahead, crack them open and see what they've sent out. So before we get into the cases, let's check out some of these accessory packs. This one doesn't have any window on it, so I wasn't sure what it was, but it appears to be a lanyard. We have reviewed the lanyard from Phone Rebel before, and these are incredibly high quality. You guys can see there's a little bit of stretch to these, and it's a decent length. It also comes with this little piece here, which you can install on your phone. So that is the lanyard upgrade kit. That goes for about $8, so pretty cheap if you want to add that to your phone case. Next up, we have the Phone Rebel USB-C to C cable. You guys can see that Rebel branding right there. It is a braided cable, so it is going to last a lot longer than some of the others that are on the market. It's also relatively thin, so it should be easy to manipulate, and this head here should not have an issue with most cases because it is pretty slim. Now, the great thing about this cable is that it does not break the bank. First of all, on their website, it's pretty inexpensive, and also it is 65 watts. So you'll be able to fast charge your phone, your iPad, or even, I guess, a MacBook if you have one of the MacBook Airs. Next up here, it looks like this is what they call their Gen 7 lens protector kit. So let's see what this includes. All right, so we have the entire cutout on the back to place back in. So if you didn't want to have this huge hole here, maybe you're doing something more rugged, you'll be able to place that down to protect your phone. And it even comes with the tiny little screws here that you guys are going to need to install this. And lastly, for the accessory kits, it looks like we also have their Gen 7 full component kit. Now, we have reviewed this kit before. It is quite nice. It comes with these metallic orange buttons as well as the camera ring cutout. This, of course, is metal as well. Very high quality stuff. You got the camera control button right here, kind of what that looks like right there. Very nice. And here is that little Phone Rebel branding on the back that you guys know and love. So those are the accessories for these cases. Let's go ahead and open this one next because I believe this is their screwdriver set. And this could be one of the best deals on their entire website. Last I checked, I believe this kit is only $10, which is an absolute steal. First of all, very sleek design here. A nice metal case here, cold to the touch, Phone Rebel branding, very premium design right here. But this has a trick up its sleeve. First of all, I believe this is magnetic, but it's got that little push to release. And once you do that, you are presented with pretty much every single type of screw that you could possibly need for an iPhone. And the best part is these are completely magnetic. So you stick it in there and it stays in place. Super high quality materials here. So if you don't have a kit like this and you work on phones or just any small electronic in general, you're going to want something like this. And for $10, this is hard to beat. This is something pretty much everyone should have just laying around just in case. I have another kit that I paid 4 times as much for. So this is definitely something that's worth the price. But now to what you guys are all wanting to see. We have 2 Flex cases and the Gen 7 right here. So let's first take a look right here at the REBEL Series 17. So you guys can see what this looks like. Here is a look at the box. So cracking the box open here, you guys can see here is the case itself. It looks like nothing else is included here. No screen protectors or anything, at least this time around. But here is the case itself. And check it out, guys. Here's that little Rebel button that I was talking about that is interchangeable. If you want to push that out, you could swap it out with that orange one. Of course, this ring could be swapped out if you would like, and you could have the orange one as well. Taking a look at the inside of this case, you guys can see, first of all, this is a super soft material in here so that it does not scratch your phone if you get any dust in there. It says REBEL 17. You have that TPE in the corners here, that blue. Every single corner has it. And that is what's going to give you that superior shock absorption that you pretty much know and love from Phone Rebel. That's what kind of put them on the map. Actually, this case is the one that put them on the map because it is super unique where the sides are cut out, but the corners are very much reinforced and the back is as well. Now, this carbon fiber weave on the back is super grippy as well. This is actually some of the grippiest carbon fiber weave that we have reviewed. So if you're looking for good grip, this is one to look at. But enough yapping, let's stick the Cosmic Orange iPhone 17 Pro right into this case and see how it looks. And here we go. Just like that, the case is installed. One of the easiest cases to install. Check out the sides. It still shows off the full color of the phone. Looks amazing. You can see that cutout at the very top, that slit just for the speaker. Super precise cuts. Down at the bottom here, these cuts are precise as well. The side, well, obviously it's cut out. On the top, you do see that Flex branding right there. On the bottom, you do see that Rebel branding yet again. Now, as far as camera resivity, check this out. First of all, super, super high on this. Don't worry about the camera modules because this is going to definitely touch first. Now, on the front here, you guys can see I do have a screen protector on, and it's not the thinnest in the world. It's a matte screen protector, and you guys can already tell these corners go way over and above. And you can really tell that Phone Rebel decided to prioritize, hand feel on this one because these sides right here are super smooth. So there's no like, it's not like it's jutting into your hand or anything. And on top of that, if you hold your phone like this with your pinky down here, this finger right here, the ring finger, kind of lands right about here, and it's super smooth, and it's just a great commanding grip of the phone like this. And on the back, your index finger kind of rests along this metallic ridge right here for the camera cutout. Overall, just a super comfortable case to hold. And like I said, this is the case that put Phone Rebel on the map because it doesn't feel like you're wearing a case at all. It adds negligible weight, and the sides are completely cut out, so it's the normal width that you're used to feeling in your hand without a case. But don't let the looks deceive you, because this is incredibly tough. You guys can go watch Everything Apple Pro's channel. He always does a drop test. And yes, of course, he's showing his own brand, but he's showing many other brands, and you can't rig those tests really. He's just dropping it off a super high height, and this phone case always seems to do very well on those tests. One final look here before we move on to the next. A very good looking case. Yes, before we move on to the next, let's test out MagSafe. Wow, that is incredibly strong. I'm gonna give this one 7.8 out of 10. Super strong. If you guys know our rating scale, 7.8 is very good. So no issues with MagSafe at all. This actually seems a little stronger than last year's, I think. All right, next, let's check out the Frosted Flex right here. And this one looks like it has a trick up its sleeve. No screen protector or anything in this one. We will set this box off to the side. And here is the case itself. You guys can see this one is frosted. I believe the first case I ever ordered from Phone Rebel with my own money was a Frosted Flex, if I'm not mistaken. I was not disappointed. You guys can watch our super old video on that one. We really enjoyed it. But this one, as you can see, has a bit of a trick up its sleeve. Check this out. This one includes a kickstand, which is going to be super handy to have. This one does not have the removable logo down here. It's just printed on the little Phone Rebel branding. However, you can remove this piece right here and swap it out. For example, if you wanted to swap it out with the orange, that would look really cool, especially with the cosmic orange phone. But without further ado, let's go ahead and slide the iPhone 17 Pro in, and look at that. This might be a new favorite right here. I might like this more than the aramid fiber one, to be honest, because this shows the phone has that frosted material on the back, which just feels super premium. It looks premium, and the sides are exposed. Bottom cutout looks perfect. Yeah, this is definitely a top pick. Now, the Apple logo is not centered, but the frosting kind of makes up for that because you can't really see it. It's just the way that Apple designed the Apple logo on the back these days. There's just no getting around it. Kickstand wise, super strong, actually. This is a very strong hinge right here. But what I'm curious about, let's see how this magnet does. Wow, it is pulling the entire piece out. Feels just as strong as the last one. I'm gonna give this a 7.8 out of 10. Super strong right there. I don't think I've ever had a complaint with Phone Rebel's MagSafe ever, so they're very strong. Same exact resivity on the camera, and let's check the front just to be sure. Yep, same exact as before. No issues setting it down. Again, the hand fill on this one is great, super comfortable, possibly one of the most comfortable cases I have held, especially considering that this one also includes that frosted material. Used to the Pro iPhones, you're gonna like this feeling. Alrighty guys, and last but definitely not least, we have the Gen 7 Rebel phone case right here. Now this one is more of a traditional phone case design. So let's just say you really want the sides of your phone protected. This is one you're going to want to look at. No screen protector inside. That's the case, and take a look at this. It is a little bit more substantial than the other two. Feels almost just as light though. You guys can see that aramid fiber weave on the back, as well as the Rebel branding on the top. And we've got some grippy material on the side, super grippy. Reminds me of last year's as well. And we also have the action button with its own special metallic orange right there. Soft touch material on the inside. Of course, this is swappable, so you can swap this out. So here we go. We're gonna grab the iPhone 17 Pro, stick it right in, button side first, and just like that, it is in. Look at how sleek this looks. Of course, this can be swapped out to be orange. You could swap this one out to be orange, and then you have a truly orange phone. You can also swap out the buttons if you like. Resivity is perfect. Buttons look great. Let's test that action button. Yeah, really like that. Nice tactile feel. Ooh, this is a nice case right here. And to give you guys a taste of what that back lens protector is gonna look like, here is a good representation. Obviously it'll be a little closer to the phone. I didn't screw it all in, but I wanted to show you guys kind of what it looks like. It looks really good. And if you wanna see what all the buttons and everything swapped out looks like, check our last Phone Rebel video. We did all of that customization. We really show you guys what it looks like in depth. But me personally, I think I would keep this, and I think I would put this on actually for day-to-day use. I think that looks so cool with just a tiny bit of orange showing, especially with this pop of orange right here. It kind of camouflages the phone, but also looks super stealthy. and premium. I don't know. I like that look. So that's how I would use this one. But again, I'm more of a fan of this one right here. So anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts on these cases and these accessories. If you're going to be picking any of these up, let us know down below. Of course, big thank you and shout out to Phone Rebel for sending all of these cases and accessories out free for review. If you like the video, hit the big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.